Hill from DoneRight Management. We are upstairs in TimberCrest 486. I'm going to do a quick video tutorial. And so this is a smart-enabled Samsung television with a Sony DVD VHS player and a Cable 1 box. Make sure you got a green light on the Cable 1. Power's right here. So we're going to use the Samsung remote. We have the source button right here. And so Cable 1 is that input. AV is going to allow you to get to the DVD player. VHS, that's right here. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple to use. Cable 1, back to it. And then of course you have the home button right here, which allows you to get to the streaming stations. So Hulu, Vudu, all the different options, YouTube, internet, sports. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number's 208-634-0030, and you're in TimberCrest 486 upstairs in the loft area.